What's up, YouTube? Today I'm replacing my stock headlight on my 2007 Harley Street Bob. I'm putting this, it's called Sun Pi 5.75 inch LED headlight. They're actually pretty bright. Made in China, of course. Here's the tag. They're $30 on Amazon, and they're actually pretty bright compared to Harley's $400 replacement. If they weren't bright, I wouldn't put just a crap LED headlight on because the headlight's super important, but they're actually pretty bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. It's pretty simple. I've had this light for a while. I don't ride the bike much, as you can see with all the dust. So we're gonna go ahead and swap this out real quick. Go ahead and show you the stock. So we'll do a comparison. It won't be at night. There's the stock headlight. High or low. High. Low, high. Alright, let's swap it out. So we have a number 1 Phillips right here on this ring. Undo. That keeps this headlight in. Bulbs out. Simple deal. And connector probably just pulls off. There's ears on each side. Push the ears in, squeeze them, comes off, 3 tabs, labeled top. There's our factory Harley bulb removed. This whole job takes like a minute. Sun Pi, don't laugh at the name. It's gotta be good. I just don't want to spend $400 unless the light is like the sun on a headlight. But here it is. I got the black back shell. Got the cooling fins. It's got a little bit different connector. Not labeled top and bottom. This is the top. These two are the bottom, top. Plug it in to our connector. Can only go one way. Bam. And then we tuck all this in like so. Make sure it's oriented correctly, which it's not. There we go. Then put a ring, or I'll call it a bezel. That's probably a proper name. On. It's on. Before you tighten it down, make sure this is at 12 o'clock. Looks like we're a little crooked. There we go. That looks straight. And then we put our screw and nut back on. Before, I'm just going to get this started. You want to off check it before, you tighten it down. We'll go ahead and do that real quick. Flip the switch. There's the low beam. There's our low beam. And there's the high beam. High beam lights up. Whoops. High beam lights up these bottom two also. Pretty cool light, $30. Has a great look, it's bright. Check it out if you don't want to spend $400 on a Harley light. Still looks better than stock. All right, I'm gonna get this bezel oriented, get that screw tightened down, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good one. All right, so we're looking at the low beam right now. There's the high beam. The high beam definitely has a nice light pattern. The low beam's okay. It's not bad. The high beam's really nice. Low beam, high beam, $30 Amazon Harley headlight.